Lane Credit University. My name is Conrad Layn. If you're trying to build credit for beginners, doesn't matter if you're under the age of 18, doesn't matter if you're over the age of 18, if you're a student who's in college who has no credit, if you have no credit, bad credit, or good credit, doesn't really matter. A great way for people to build credit, even if you're a beginner, is authorized users. If you have a dad, a mom, family member, a friend, someone you know and trust that you know pay their bills on time and have a fairly good, decent credit score, that's who you'll want to reach out to and say, hey, can you add me as an authorized user to your credit card? At that point, you'll get your own credit card that they can keep. They don't have to give it to you, or they can even cut it up. And as long as they authorize you to be added to their credit card, you'll get all the same credit they get when they pay their bills on time. Really great way to get your first credit card if they allow you to keep the authorized user credit card. And even if they don't allow you to do that, it allows you to build credit without really any effort. Pretty easy, especially if they have really good payment history and good credit. You'll inherit that as well. That's a great tactic for beginners wanting to build their credit. And it's oftentimes what people do for their kids actually. They actually just open up a credit line for their kid. They keep it in the and keep it inside their house. They don't even give it to the kid, or they might give it to the kid, teach them some type of responsibility. But the point is, even if they use the card or not, you still get credit for having that card under your name, and you inherit all the payment history as long as it's paid on time. That's a quick tip. Like, subscribe, share. Carly, out.